First, I performed a double cleanse using the FACTORFIVE Gentle Gel Cleanser. This cleanser contains aloe vera, known for its soothing properties. It helps to hydrate and calm the skin. Green tea extract acts as an antioxidant, protecting the skin from free radicals while providing anti-inflammatory benefits. First cleanse removed with warm sponges, then performed a second cleanse and removed with warm sponges. Next, I applied the FACTORFIVE RDS1 solution and gently rubbed for 3 to 4 minutes to activate the peel. The FACTORFIVE RDS1 and 2 is the no peel peel. It performs a deep exfoliation into the dermis. This unique system combines the powerful exfoliating effects of a TCA-based chemical peel with the regenerative properties of human stem cell growth factors. The Part 1 solution works by combining a potent blend of TCA with other ingredients, kojic acid, peptides to deeply exfoliate the skin, promoting cell turnover and rejuvenation while minimizing visible peeling. After 7 minutes, I removed the peel using cool sponges for a cooling effect. Next, I sprayed the O2 Skin Pro featuring OX66, the only solid form of oxygen in existence, delivering 100% oxygen for enhanced healing. Next, I applied the FACTORFIVE RDS2 Calming Solution, which helps to soothe and hydrate the skin post-peel. This solution contains stem cell factors derived from human stem cells and promote skin regeneration and repair. They enhance cellular turnover, improve skin texture, and support collagen production. Aloe vera for soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, calms irritated skin, reduces redness, and provides hydration. Hyaluronic acid, which attracts and retains moisture in the skin, helps to plump and hydrate, improving skin elasticity. Next, I utilized the cold hammer on level 9. This modality helps soothe inflamed, itchy, and sensitive skin by constricting the tissue and reducing blood flow to the area, and seals in the nourishing ingredients of the RDS2 calming solution. Last, I set my client under the Lumera 1800R red light panel for 5 minutes, aiding in optimal product absorption and cellular regeneration. My client's home care for this week is the FACTORFIVE 7-Day Post-Treatment Kit, and thank you for joining me for week 1 in the compromised skin category in the Skin Games.